Hey guys, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Mopar wheel lock kit for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL. Jeep has made some changes to the JL versus previous models as far as the wheel studs go. The JL features studs that are an M14 by 1.5 thread pitch. So you want to make sure you get wheel locks that are compatible, and of course the Mopar wheel lock kit is going to work out for you just fine. Now you not only get 4 locks in this kit, but you actually get 5, and of course that's important with a Wrangler because you want to make sure you're protecting that valuable spare tire on the back of your Jeep. You also get a wheel lock key and a zip tie, as well as instructions and some registration documentation there. Of course, it is important to note that this lock key and all the wheel locks are coded to each other, and that is a unique key. They're going to look pretty similar across the board, but each one is unique. So it's important, and I always recommend everyone take note of that registration card that comes provided, and you want to make sure you fill that out and mail that in to Megard. Now, these are made by Megard for Mopar, so you know you're getting a high quality wheel lock. But by sending in that registration card right off the bat, you know that you've got it on file, the unique registration number for your key, should you ever lose it and need to get a replacement. And while you're at it, I like to recommend everyone, you're sending in the card already, go ahead and purchase a second key that you can keep stored safely at home. In the event you ever misplace or lose this key, you won't be left high and dry waiting for a replacement to come in the mail. Now, they do take some precautions here to help make sure that you don't misplace that key. They include this little zip tie here with the kit that features a little Christmas tree on the end. And this is actually made to wrap around the lug wrench in your Wrangler. When you're not using the key, well, there's a little hole in the backside there. It snaps onto that Christmas tree so you know exactly where to find it in your Wrangler. Now, if you want to get more information or purchase a set of the Mopar wheel locks for your 2018 and up Jeep Wrangler JL, well, you can click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them for us in the comments section below. You want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you catch all of our latest Jeep Wrangler JL product reviews. If you like today's video, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.